सीए। टैक्स के संबंध में अपने सीए से क्या बातचीत होती है, आइए देखें।
सीए के साथ बातचीत। जतिन अपने सीए के साथ विवरण पत्र पर चर्चा कर रहा है, साथ ही पूंजी निवेश के बारे में सलाह ले रहा है।
Hi, good morning.
I was about to call you.
Yeah, I know I'm late this time, but don't worry, I have brought all the papers.
That's nice. I will make sure that your return is filed in time.
Thanks a lot. How much income tax do I have to pay this year?
I have to calculate, but you've paid a good amount in TDS, so I don't think you'll have to pay anything in tax.
Oh, thank God. You know, business is slightly down this year.
What have you decided about investments?
Yeah, I have thought of it, but the final suggestion will be yours.
I will suggest money-back insurance and mutual funds.
What about shares?
Actually, market is down, but this is a good opportunity for investment in shares.
Is it not risky?
No, if we choose blue chip companies, then it is safe. Don't go for short-term investments.
Shall I buy some gold? What do you say?
Well, gold is liquidable at any time, but as an investment, it is dead. Why don't you invest in gold bonds instead? You get the same returns without actually taking delivery of the gold.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Do I have any facility in my returns because I want to buy a new car this year?
Yes, you can buy a car, but don't go for a costly car and be sure to take a car loan.
I don't need a loan.
Maybe, but we will get a tax benefit.
Okay. So when will you file my returns?
Don't worry, we will be in time. Just sign the form. I'll send it to you by email.
Yes, sure.
So, it's done. I will send you the final copies.
Thanks a lot. I have to leave now. I have a business meeting to attend to.
Sure. Have a nice time.
Arriving in a new city.
जब हम काम के सिलसिले में किसी नए शहर जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी पूछताछ करनी पड़ती है। आइए देखते हैं ऐसी एक पूछताछ।
नए शहर में आगमन। करण इस शहर में अभी अभी आया है और वो इस शहर से अनभिज्ञ है। शहर के बारे में वो पर्यटक केंद्र में जानकारी ले रहा है।
Excuse me, is this the tourist information center?
How may I help you?
I have just arrived and I am new in the city. Can you give me some information?
Certainly, sir.
First of all, I'm looking for a good hotel, preferably a 3-star.
Well, sir, there is lot of choice. Which area will you prefer?
I am here for garment business. So which area, according to you, will be like the central location?
I suggest you go to Dadar. Here is a list of hotels in this area. You will get taxi outside.
What will be the tariff approximately?
Around 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay. What is the best mode of transport in the city?
Taxis, local buses or trains. Well, local train is the fastest to reach. You can catch a local train to reach your nearest station, and from there you can catch a taxi or rickshaw.
How about hired vehicles?
You can book a car on daily basis. Your hotel can arrange such car for you.
Do you have a city guidebook?
Yes, sir. Here it is. Only rupees 100.
Thank you. Is the city map included?
Yes, sir. You will get all the information you needed.
You have to tell me which is the garment trading area over here.
You will get this information in yellow books. As far as my knowledge is concerned, major garment merchants are in Crawford Market and Dadar.
Do you have an information service in the city?
You can call 888-8888. This is an Ask Me service.
Thanks a lot for your cooperation.
It's our duty, sir.
I really think I have taken a lot of your precious time now. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.